Lovely therapist, did you know that you can book clients through your IG stories? I know, how cool is this? So there are 3 steps. Step one is to highlight something about the service that you offer or you provide. Step two is to provide something really useful in your story to your dreamiest client. And then step three is to include a call to action. Simply navigate to the stickers. You will see a sticker there called link. Tap that, and then you're going to type in the URL for your booking platform. And then you will have a space to enter a call to action, which would just be something like book now, submit an inquiry, ask me more, get started, begin your journey, something like that. So try it out. I would do this every day for a week. And always, always, always save these stories to your highlights, because then they become evergreen content for your Instagram profile, which means that you can still attract new bookings and new inquiries 6 months from now without repeating the process. So I hope that this helps. Let me know how you go with it. Bye for now.